A significant proposal to restrict entry to non-Hindus at the revered Badrinath and Kedarnath temples is set to be approved later this week, according to Sri Badrinath-Kedarnath Temple Committee Chairman Hemant Dwivedi. The committee has achieved consensus among all stakeholders, including saints, pilgrimage priests, and local communities to prohibit non-Hindus from entering the temple areas, including Badrinath Dham, Kedarnath Dham, and all 48 temples under BKTC management, such as Panch Kedar, Panch Badri, Ukhimat, Kalimat, Triyogya Narayan, Bhavishya Badri, and Narsingh Temple. Dwivedi emphasized that these are sacred centers of Sanatan Dharma established by Adi Shankaracharya, not tourist destinations, and entry is a matter of faith rather than civil rights. The constitution grants the right to manage religious places, he noted, welcoming only those with belief in Sanatan Dharma, Mother Ganga, Baba Kedar, and Lord Badrinath. Addressing concerns about Sikh and Jain devotees who have traditionally visited, Dwivedi clarified the restriction is based on individual faith in the religious place, not specific religions. The Gangotri Temple Committee has already decided to bar non-Hindus from Gangotri Dham and its winter abode in Mukba, as confirmed by Secretary Suresh Semwal. However, the Yamunotri Temple Committee is yet to decide. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami stated that temple committees play the primary role in managing the Char Dham Yatra, with the government's role being supportive. This development follows similar demands by the Ganga Sabha to restrict non-Hindus at Har Ki Pauri and Ghats in Haridwar during Kumbh Mela. The temples remain closed for winter, with Badrinath reopening on April 23rd and Kedarnath date to be announced on Mahashivratri. The move aims to preserve the sanctity, traditions, and religious purity of Uttarakhand's Char Dham pilgrimage sites.